So hello, good morning. Welcome to Anon Developer. So today we are going to be installing Node.js and we are going to set it up. So stay tuned and like and subscribe to this channel. So first of all, we go to our Google console with search Node.js. Then we click. Then we'll follow the first link that pops up. So you can see nodejs.org. So you can see nodejs.org. Then we'll click nodejs.org. So Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome version 8. And here you can have this is for most users 20. Let's say other users, if you want to download from MacBook, let's say you want to download from MacBook other users, so you can see the MacBook version and the source code. So we're using the Windows version, so we'll download the 6-bit version, 64-bit version. So it's installing. So it's installing. Complete done. So I have the MacBook, the Linux, and the source code. So this is the source code, current latest. Also the MacBook. So the current version is 21.40. I think we should go with the current version. That finished downloading first, that's what I'll click. So for now, I'll go with the current version. You can try the oldest version, but I'll go with the current version. So you can get access to the documentation, latest API, C++, adds on with Node API console debugger, HTTP, file system, domain DNS modules, ECMA modules, common JS modules, OS. So let me install the latest version. I'm currently using the older version. So you can see the publisher, OpenJS Foundation. Let me cancel this one. So it's preparing to install. So computing the space required. So let's go back to the documentation. You have module packages, NetOS path, performance hook, process, Polycode, REPL, report stream, and lots more. So you can, if you want to read the documentation, you can easily come here and read the documentation. And still, so let's click on HTTP. So if you want to create a HTTP request, you need the const HTTP, and from there you can create a server. So you can you make a request, HTTP server connect, you look at the events of creating HTTP server and so on. You can also drop a request. So let's go to file system FS. file handler, promise example, synchronous example, callback example. Let's go to callback example. So you can see callback example. So we say on link require node.js.fs on link use a folder path temp.hello call an error, use the callback to if the error throws an error, then console.log temp/hello. So let's go back to our Node.js. It turns out it have done the requirements. So let's click next. I accept. Next. 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 Automatically install unnecessary root. That also install chocolate. Install. So it's installing. And then we click yes. So it's still installing. As you can see, it's installing. So it's done, it's finished successfully. So that's how to install your Node.js. So let's go to some time now. Let's confirm the versions and the installation. So I'll open my command prompt. So it's opening twice. So it wants to install Chocolate. So let's click continue, press edit to continue. So from here we can see node v, node minus v. It will give you the node version. So we're on version 2.4. So let's say node. So let's say 1 plus 1, 2. Let's say console.log hello, hello, hello world. State hello world. So let's click yes to install Chocolate. So let's say name, let me shift, let me, let's say name equals to Shinobi. And wait for this to install. Yes, a name called Shinobi. Okay, let's name goes to Shinobi. Shinobi is not defined. Okay, so basically our this is run successful. So for more videos like this, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. As you can see here, the chocolate is installing, so I have to give some time. So for more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and make sure you leave a subscribe.